Coast. 222, Northern Illinois, checking in.
Hey, 222. Hey, 222. Can I be driving that snowplow? Hey, 222, I want to drive that snowplow right about now. Your radio man friend from the west side just got up.
Shame on it.
Hey, 222, radio man wants to be driving. I want to be driving that snowplow break.
Yeah, 148 sounds pretty good. Old Big Phil, right? What the heck's he running over there? That 148 sounded real good when Big Phil got off the key. I don't know what he's got going on, but hello to both of you. Happy New Year. Big Phil, John Denver. I heard a radio man out there. I heard all kinds of cats out there. Man. What in the world, Big Phil, are you running over there? That 148 sounds good, John Denver. Sounds really good. Looks like I stepped into the middle of a hornet's nest. I just wanted to key up and kind of clear it up a little bit and say hello and howdy do. 222 here in Illinois. We're sitting on back.
Hey, 222, I'm just trying to get my name called. Hey, 222, I'm just trying to get my name called with my 85-watt station. Take care, 222, radio man, John and Jen. Big Phil. Hey, Big Phil. John Denver been a bad boy. What's going on? You got him in the corner, or what's going on?
The Duck Ears out there today. 225, Birmingham, Alabama, headed.
Well, I heard old John Denver say, hey, tell that muddy mouth something. Get back in the corner. He ain't gonna get over these miles. Yeah, he's been a bad boy. He's in the corner. John Denver, he's in the corner. You guys sound like you're up in 222 waving. Indiana, bye.
Hey, 222, how did my two MOSFETs work? Hey, 222, how did my two MOSFETs work? Hey, 222, me and my 85-watt station get up.
Well, I might talk to the superstar.
I think it's time for a radio check. Radio check. Cheeseburger getting on down.
John Denver can't hear Alabama out there today. 225, waving. Shame on it. Outlaws, Red 7, we was looking. Superstars out here, come on.
John Denver, the queen of California.
This is Butcher Boy, up to Washington. And my mobile boy. My boy out in the corner. Good for Washington. The Outlaws.
Hey, Big Phil and John Denver keyed up and he said, get off my MOSFETs. Leave my patio control alone. Truck. This is what he said now, quote. He's going to get in his truck. He's going to put a butt whooping on you like back in grade school. But he said leave his MOSFETs alone on that patio control. Let him out of the corner. Give him some playtime. 222 sitting back.
Well, Mother Nature's going to keep it a secret. Mother Nature's going to keep it a secret.
Hey, 222, I sure do wish my two MOSFETs would work. Hey, 222, I sure do wish my 85 watts would work with my big old M107. Take care, 222, radio man, John and Jen.
Oh, mercy. There's so many fives being passed there between the both of you. I will say this, you both sounded really good. Really good. Sounds like you're having a good time. I just stepped in the radio room to say hello. And Big Phil said, bow to the king. He said bow to the king. He said he's going to bow to the king. So, I don't know. I heard some ducks getting thrown around, and both are sounding real good, though. You guys get back at it. Have a good time. I'm going to sit back and listen to the show. 222 Northern Illinois, kicking back.
Hey, old Big Phil and Mud Duck John Denver out there in California can't hear. He got California 225. I went up there, make it back to 709 to Melbourne.
Me and my 85-watt session going bam, 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 sucker punch, and I'm way down on the bottom of your meter, and I'm rocking on.
Was that the Queen of California?
So you got 16 impregnated suits all taped up, ready to go for them down the dungeon? Well, sure, I'm glad I wasn't messing. I don't have to watch that stuff on TV. I'm not sure, but I can kind of guarantee I don't think Big Phil would like to watch 16 impregnated on MTV at night, sitting in the dungeon. He's probably like me. He'd probably be rather sitting in a lazy boy recliner watching something else. You guys sit on back, have a good time. 222 here in Illinois, having a good time. Just copy in the mail.
Told him. We don't be going too far out there now.
410A Big Phil, I got that. You said he watches them first and streams them all, and then loads them up, and he puts special ones first for everybody to watch. I got that, Big Phil.
My wife calls me Super Spoon. Whoa, you the man.
Those are reruns because he watches them first. 10-4, I got it.
Yeah, I know that butcher boy when I... Well, John Denver, how many you read? How many you watch out there in California? Super stud. Trying to get back to you there.
Bob Lumber says he gets all the recordings from you and then he streams them. My.
Big field radio land, no doubt. 333, 333. Where you at? Super stud. You walk on me. That's not nice.
Oh my. You said you wanted Big Phil to get down on Highway 67 and stick his thumb out where a red tutu. What's all up with that?
Today. 10-4. About a Mustang. How's my mobile sounding? Sound good? That ain't right. Super stud. Hello to whoever.
Butcher boy, you having a hell of a time getting radio checks. You sounded good in the state of Arkansas.
You guys sound like you got some good New Year's resolutions. My. Well, I can tell you one thing. I'm glad I'm in Illinois and I ain't cruising down the 67 highway. Because I don't know what I would do if I saw that. I'd probably run right off the road.
Just a little bit till a big mouth came in there.
He's gonna impersonate a lot lizard with that red tutu, John Bell. That's what you said?
That's just one of them crazy ass things, butcher boy. I get in the same position, same way, same time. Same bad channel 606 in the razor. Hello.
Well, you getting out better? I mean, you been talking Skip?
Well, yeah, but who couldn't?
Orange lipstick. I never seen.
All right, 351, top of the day to you. Always a pleasure, your friend, 606, the bad mother operator in the razor. We'll smell you later.
That just don't go together.
We knew antennas on there for sure. 40 miles up in the air.
I think you need it, bro.
All right, bear man, take care of yourself. How long we got you, man? How long we got you? We just waiting there for my friend to close off on his side. 606, bad mother operator, stand by.
A606. A606, Radio Man, Coast of Cal, waving your way.
Yeah, see, here you go, radio man. You shutting ears off, plugging ears, cutting coax, taking no hostage in the no-fly zone. Let's go.
Well, I just
410 Big.
Alright, there's 606. Yeah, I'm just cruising these 85 watts around California, man. Just listening to 222 talk to Big Phil and John Denver down there. I guess they're all playing around down there and just kind of watching my CB like it's a TV. Hello, 606, your radio man, Coastal Cal, just got up.
popping things.
All right, radio man. I guarantee you, I don't hear JD or Big Phil in there, man. They're friends of mine out there. I just don't hear them in there. Maybe they're not on this channel or what have you. Let me make a standby and just make sure, 606. We stand.
Just reach over and twist it off and go back in the driveway, so that's not so bad.
Yeah, they're on this channel, big brother. Yeah, 222 up there in Illinois is talking to them right now. I guess John Denver's going to put Big Phil out there on the Highway 67 and put him in a red tutu or something and have him hitch for a ride. Alright there, 606. Always sounding good, my friend. I am rolling video gate right about now. 606. Radio man on this big old 37-foot M107 just got up.
All right, radio man, we'll catch up with you a little later. We'll holler at you, see what's happening with you. Your friend out in the Razorback, 606, man, bad mother operator. We'll smell you later.
Friend of the Magnolia out the back door, goddamn. Hey, outlaw.
Check, check.
Hello, Stormy. You're doing the same, brother, guarantee you. You got it on lockdown. Get back out of here a little bit, 606. Bad mother operator in a Razor. We standing by. Bye, man, 606. We standing.
Illegal's trying to jump on out there. Maybe I got a copy of this illegal. Is it doing its job? Was it getting this thing on? How about it?
I wonder where that 222 went. That 222 was out there. Guess an old 222 faded out. Radio man, coast of California, rocking on.
Radio man 606 in Arkansas. Done put 222 in Illinois. Done put him to sleep. Put him to sleep. Sleep.
How about it, radio man? Ain't no about 21. Hey, 21 is a good question. Radio man, right back.
Hey, 606, you said, put 222 to sleep, to sleep, to sleep. Then when you got off that big old hammer, I heard 21 out there calling my name too. Good evening time, 21, 606. Me and my 85-watt itty-bitty mall on the west side just got up.
And we done sent Cheeseburger to the health department to get him some shots.
1501, Bishop of Kentucky, kicking back.
Central Missouri, wait, howdy, howdy.
What you doing out there, 1501? What you doing out there, 1501, while you're kicking back? Radio man, coast of California, rocking off.
Wait, look at that. Look at that.
Somebody coming back to 15.
Oh, you know better than that.
Cut you off.
Right there, 1501. You said you heard someone coming back to your station, then someone cut me off. 1501, take care, my friend. Radio Man, the itty-bitty mud duck 85-watt stationer on the west side just got up.
Your friend 606, bad mother operator in the Razor. I'm going.
California, stop in.
Okay, hey, Radio Man, Red Mustang, wave it in.
Well, good afternoon, Tom. Red Mustang 202. Always a pleasure hearing you out there. I subscribed to your YouTube video the other night. Red Mustang 202, Illinois, Radio Man, coast of... Oh, I'm sorry. No, you're not in Illinois. Shame on the mess. I forgot where you were. Mississippi, Missouri, one of those two. Take care there, Red Mustang. Radio Man, coast of California, standing by.
I'm just going to sit back.
That's right. That's where this old mud duck thing I got. It don't want to get out anywhere. I found it. He'll get out a big cliff.
All right there, 202, 1501, how's my ears right about now? Take care, my friend, 202. I'm just going to cruise these 85 watts and read up on the mail for a bit. 202, Red Mustang, your friend Rod Kelly just got up.
Thank you, 458. Thank you, 458. Rambo. Run it there. Oh, run it there. Yeah, good out there, Radio Man. And I did hear 351, that polar bear sounding good on the bridge. Red Mustang waving, waving, waving. Okay.
Till the 351 Radio Man is waving, and I'm reading this mail.
I'm going. 10-4-3-5-1, you have a good one yourself. Red Mustang, I'm back out.